Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Vlog. If today is your first time watching my videos, please like, share and comment on my videos. Guys, for my regular viewers, I thank you for always watching my videos. Today I'll be telling you guys what you need to know and do to prevent armpit rashes. Practicing good hygiene is the most important way to prevent armpit rashes. Shower regularly and air dry instead of using a towel. If possible, if you notice that certain deodorant or other skin products cause a rash, stop using them right away. If your rashes may not seem to have a specific cause, see an allergist. They can help you find out if any allergens in your home or other environments may be causing your rash. Wearing tight clothing made of synthetic material can lead to armpit rashes. This is because sweat can't escape from armpits. Wear loose cotton clothing so that your armpit can breathe and sweat doesn't pull on your sensitive armpit skin. In some cases, your armpit rash may simply be a heat rash when the weather is hot and wet. Use talcum powder in your armpits to stop a heat rash from occurring during hot weather. Stay in cool, air-conditioned places. Keep the area where you sleep cool with air conditioning or a fan. Overview. Your armpit is a prime spot for irritation. You may not be able to see an armpit rash right away, but the itch and irritation can be unbearable. In some cases, armpit rashes can be pumpy and red or scaly and white. Many things can cause underarm rashes, and likewise many treatments can address them. Depending the cause of the rash makes it easier to find relief. Armpit rashes can last from a few hours to a few months. Most rashes can be easily treated with home remedies or over-the-counter treatment. However, it's important to know what is causing your rash before taking measures to treat it and prevent future rashes. For instance, rashes caused by hot weather usually disappear quickly. Rashes caused by lifestyle or skin conditions may last longer and may require specific treatment. Treatment tips. Several of these conditions are caused or irritated by substance coming into contact with your skin. Actions you can take in addition to removing irritant armpit rashes can be suited by taking a warm bath with colloidal oatmeal, using over-the-counter anti-itch creams, littering up with unscented moisturizer in the case of dry skin and eczema, using cool compresses. Do not scratch. Avoid scratching the irritated area. Scratching makes the skin vulnerable to infections and can turn a simple rash into a larger issue. Some medications may help relieve itching. During the day, try taking allegra or claritin. At night, a sedating antihistamine like Benadryl can soothe itching and help you stay asleep. Relax. Stress can aggravate some forms of dermatitis. Relaxation techniques can help fight the rash, plus relaxation can make it easier to resist scratching. Complications of armpit rashes. Leaving an armpit rashes untreated for too long can lead to serious bacterial and fungal infections. These infections can result in fluid red bumps called pustules to form on the skin. Pustules are itchy and inflamed. Scratching them too often can leave scars. Other symptoms of a bacterial infection include warmth, tenderness, swelling, redness, and scarring. If there are any underlying causes of your rash, other complications can occur. Talk to your doctor about your rash. If it won't disappear with treatment, a skin biopsy or prescription treatment may be necessary. Home remedies to relieve an armpit rash. Ingredients you have around at home can help treat many armpit rashes. 1. Place ice cube against the rash. This may help with itching. 2. Consume more vitamin C in oranges, tomatoes, and broccoli to help you fight against skin issues caused by infection. 3. Cut open a lemon and slide it across your armpit skin. The lemon citric acid can kill bacteria in your armpit. Using lemons this way also works as a DIY deodorant. 4. Using nivea roll-on brightens and smoothens underarms, and it helps keep it dry and fresh all day. And again, some essential oils may help treat an armpit rash too, like examples: lavender oil, coconut oil, or teatreeoil. Help with itchiness, irritations, and fungal infections. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, like and comment for more videos. Thank you. Do have a nice day. Still Mrs. Vlog.